McConville here, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTech Workstations. I have this dreadnought back that I'm just doing my dry run. So all of the braces have been radiused, scalloped, and shaped. We are going old school with this. We're going to use the hide glue to glue these on. All of the golden era instruments, right up to the 40s, were put together with hide glue. Hide glue has some very interesting acoustic characteristics because when it dries, it crystallizes, so it's like glass. So what that means acoustically is it does not absorb vibration. And this is one of the main reasons those instruments sound so wonderful. Another argument, of course, is Stradivarius violins. Always put together with hide glue. They never use any of this modern glue you see now. Anyway, so that's my setup. This allows me to put 28 clamps on in one setting. The advantage to gluing all of those braces at the same time is they are glued under the same atmospheric conditions. So once they're glued on, if the humidity shifts a little bit up or down, everything moves uniformly.